are somebody who's actually standing by what you thought about this even before you got these numbers last night. You're reiterating your overweight position on Netflix, also your price target of $440. What do you see that makes you think this is a place you still want to be?
Well, it was obviously a disappointing quarter, and 2 million subscriber miss is a big number in the context of the quarter itself. In the context of the overall business, though, it's less significant. Out of 150 million total subscribers, we're talking about a miss of less than 2%. So, the thing that we really learned last night has to do with the impact of the content slate. As Netflix gets more scale, the content slate's becoming more and more important. And the beauty of the story for the rest of the year is the second half content slate improves dramatically.
The third quarter obviously will be another crucial litmus test, as one of the other analysts just mentioned. We had somebody else who told us earlier today that a lot of times after you see a miss by Netflix, they come back and they have a big quarter after that. Is that what you'd anticipate in the third quarter?
Well, I would think the management team would definitely factor in more conservatism in a quarter like this after a miss. They also indicated specifically that the first couple of weeks of Q3 have already shown significant improvement, and if you extrapolate that out, it would suggest a very strong quarter. So I think between that and the remaining positives of the content slate in Q3 and Q4, there's reason to own the stock here, especially after this pullback.
What do you think happens when there's more competition a year from now?
Well, that's a good question, because there's been more competition, continuously as Netflix has grown the streaming business. So more competition isn't necessarily a positive, but I don't necessarily think it's a terrible thing either. In general, we just continue to expect that we're going to see consumer content dollars shifting from traditional TV over to streaming services, and that can support multiple players in the market.